guys, I'm all dressed up. I have my gown. So guys, this is what we are making. I'm making Nkwobi. So guys, here is mine. What is your best abacha combo? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting up a new vlog this night, okay? When I thought I'm done with the day's activity. So my husband happens to be an engineer, as I have said on this channel so many times, and the engineering association, this thing, is having dinner today, and my husband called me and told me that we'll be attending. So I'm all dressed up, okay? I have this gown. I haven't worn it. I bought it for so long, but I haven't worn it because I don't have anywhere to wear it to go. So I'm about doing a small makeup, just draw small something on my brow and apply something on my lips, and that is all I want to do. So I will sure carry you guys along the dinner and another vlog. So keep watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and let's do this. So guys, I'm all dressed up. I have my gown, a bag, and the slippers. Okay, so he's wearing native wear, so let me just be simple, let me not be too distinct. So here is it. So I was thinking random this, so or with a belt. Okay, so here is it with a belt, or I should just leave it that way. Which one do you think?
Vice presidents and the registrars, all class what say you can do, come to celebrate which one. Also, what say you can do.
Which others? Okay, you want to do with one hand. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. 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 Small. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. Good morning. So it's another day. We thank God for life. We thank God for health. So this morning I'm done with my workout. So watch right here. I have order for egusi soup, so I'll be taking you guys through the process. Maybe in another video, shoot another video for it, but I don't know yet. So I'm about taking my coffee right now, and after that I'll be going out. I want to go to bank, and I'll just take you guys through my day. Today is Friday. Yes, today is Friday, so I'll take you guys through my day, and let's do this. So guys, I'm done with the egusi soup, so I'll be calling the rider to come pick it up. So here is our egusi. So this is actually 5-liter rubber of egusi. Okay, so yeah, done and dusted. Yeah. Hi guys, so I have Gift Empire here.
Hello. Hi guys.
Gift Empire here. She came to do some certain things. Okay.
So uncertainty.
Bye. So we want to thank you guys if you supported her to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you. So make sure you click on her notification bell. She has like loaded, fun, sweet content you will love. Okay. So that is it. I just want to update you guys. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
So guys, I'm all dressed up. I'm heading out now. I'm not sure I'm going to meet up with the bank, so I'm just going out to go meet Evelyn and Tope where they are. But I don't know. So gift is gone and let's go. I'm already late to meet them up. Yeah. So guys, we are off to we meet again. Are we downstairs? Thank you. So we're going to the next location so that we can go and eat. Hi Evelyn. Hi Tope. So workout done. It's time to cook and do some skincare routine. So guys, this is what we are making. I'm making Nkwobi. I'm making abacha. So these are the two things I'm making this morning. My baby, see your wife now. See me. Hey guys, so the kwanchao. See ncha. This one is for Nkwobi. Ncha of the most time. One male ncha I like. Yeah. If I do this ncha for you, you will like it. Okay? So this one is for Nkwobi. So I'll be adding my Nkwobi right here. And I will show you the rest of the things. I'm very, very tired, like very, very tired, as in it. So let's keep going. So guys, I'm done with my Nkwobi. So here is it, and here is our abacha. Okay. I actually got this garden egg from the leaf, so I put it here. Here is the garden egg leaf, peppered pomo, fish. And that is it. So let's pack up. So guys, here is mine. What is your best abacha combo? What is the best? Like me, I love having abacha and isiu or Nkwobi. The sauce that comes out of it, hell, orgasm, heavenly. So I'm about to digest this one with chibundo because he has been standing here. I told you people that chibundo always comes out when food is around. You will see him hovering around.
Yes, I would.
Oh yeah, let's eat. You like?
$2,000 years later.
Better baby, see as you fine, oh. Hey, better baby, see as you fresh, yo yo. Now only monkey go say you no fine, better. Hey. Krikata mama eh. Cause don't want me at that day. Come me shake your brother eh. Waiting your waist you can cause you. If everyone don't cook my eh. Others of bad one look away. What can I miss eh? The valley oh. Oh yeah, shake mama. Eh, oh yeah, walk mama. Oh yeah, walk mama. One day more. The valley
Easy concept. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible.
So, after all my singing, having fun, sometimes man proposes, God disposes. My car got hit, like it got hit, and the man is claiming right. I don't understand. Okay, this is just a case of 3-lane. I happen to be in the middle, which happens to be my main lane, and he was trying to maneuver for him not to enter a pothole, and he hit me. So the mechanic have already carried my car. We women, person go hit us, we go call husband. Because they insisted that we are going to the police. I told them that they are going to repair my car. They said that we have to go to the police. I said, yes, now let's start going to the police. Before my husband now came, I was asking them, are we going to the police for the police to do what for us? I don't understand. I'm angry, but I'm hungry.